The Thar Desert is located mainly in western Rajasthan. It receives very little rainfall and has sandy plains, sand dunes, and very little vegetation.
The Luni River is the main river of the Thar Desert. It flows only during the rainy season and does not reach the sea.
India has two coastal plains. The western coastal plain lies along the Arabian Sea, and the eastern coastal plain lies along the Bay of Bengal.
The western coastal plain has three parts. They are the Konkan Coast, the Canara Coast, and the Malabar Coast. The Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, and Kaveri rivers form large fertile deltas before entering the Bay of Bengal. The eastern coast includes the Utkal Coast, the Circar Coast, and the Coromandel Coast.
The coastal plains are very fertile. They support farming, fishing, and busy ports that help India's trade.
India has two major groups of islands. They are the Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the Bay of Bengal and the Lakshadweep Islands in the Arabian Sea.
The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are located in the Bay of Bengal. These islands are part of a submerged mountain range.
Barren Island and Narcondam Island are volcanic islands found in the Andaman and Nicobar group.
The Lakshadweep Islands are located in the Arabian Sea. These beautiful islands were formed by coral reefs.
India has mountains, plains, plateaus, deserts, coastal plains, and islands. These landforms support different...
Let's quickly revise the 6 major relief divisions of India before we finish this chapter.
Today we explored the relief features of India and learned how they influence climate, rivers, agriculture, and human life.